Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to hide your Facebook friends in 2022. The process is same in Android as well as iOS devices. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Then tap on three lines or your profile icon on the right. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on settings and privacy option. Tap on privacy shortcuts. Scroll down here and here you can see more privacy setting option. Tap on this and here you can see all privacy options. You should have to search for who can see my friend list. Tap on this, then simply tap on see more and here tap on only me option. Now your friends has hidden from your all friend list. Now no one can see your friend list. So hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.